Classes of animals. Yes, animals have a class system too. It's not working class and middle class and upper class, but it's a class system. Animals with backbones are called vertebrates. Vertebrates. Now, you've got a backbone. Dolphins have got backbones. Birds, fish, not jellyfish or starfish, but fish. Yes, the cats, dogs. Birds, mammals, reptiles, frogs, and bony fish have backbones called vertebrates. Vertebrae, singular vertebrae. Frogs go back to water to lay their eggs, so they are amphibians. They're the kind of vertebrae never probably got away from water. They're amphibians. Amphibians have the moist skin that lets in pollution. Yeah, this is quite useful, having moist skin for breathing. They partly breathe through their skin and they sense the world through the skin. It's moist, it's permeable, lets stuff in and out. Not very good if you've got pollution. Amphibian skin is permeable. Vertebrates do not have a backbone. Invertebrates. So this is everything that's not got backbones. Jellyfish, crabs, insects, so it means not vertebrates. In meaning not in this case. Invertebrates include jellyfish and arthropods. Arthropods have their skeletons on the outside. This is called an exoskeleton, just like a knight in armor. That's a good idea. Your skeleton is protecting you. Insects and crabs, they're crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, whereas humans, the armor bit is on the inside, which is kind of weird. Spiders, crabs, and insects are arthropods. I think if I was going to invent an animal, I would have its armor on the outside. Makes sense. Rather than us, we've got our skeleton on the inside. Insects. Putting similar animals into classes is called classifying. Classifying is how to pronounce it. Ants, butterflies, and beetles are insects. Yes, 6 legs on an insect. Insects have an exoskeleton. Insects are arthropods with 6 legs. Crabs, insects, and spiders all have jointed legs. So they are all arthropods. Spiders have 8 legs. Yes, lots of people think spiders are like insects because they're crunchy on the outside, small scuttly things. But yeah, no, they've got different numbers of legs. Having different numbers of legs is way different in evolution. You've got 4 limbs and so has a cow. You are closer to cows than insects are to spiders. Changing the number of legs means digging a long way back in evolution. Arachnids. Spiders have 8 legs, so they are arachnids. Arachnids are arthropods. Yes, arthropods, anything with its armour on the outside, jointy legs. 8-legged arachnids include microscopic mites. Yes, and also scorpions. Oh, here it comes. Arthropods with 8 legs are arachnids. This includes scorpions. Scorpions. Yeah, lots of people don't know scorpions. Nasty little stingy thing on the back. Fab. Crabs and lobsters have exoskeletons. Crabs and lobsters are arthropods as well. Snails have shells. You might have noticed. Snails are called mollusks. Oh, this is a different type of... They have no jointed legs. They haven't got backbones. They're mollusks. People eat the mollusks called oysters. oysters. Slugs are mollusks that evolved their shell away. Yeah, we had some real problem with slugs because we went, oh, shelled things, let's call them mollusks. Slugs. Well, slugs are related to snails. They just didn't need a shell anymore because they taste horrible. Slugs don't. Well, here we go. Slugs don't need a shell because they taste bad. Yes, poisons in there. I'm not sure if they're poisonous. They just don't taste bad. Vertebrates are backbones. Vertebrates are backbones. Yes. Flies, mosquitoes, and bees have exoskeletons. Have an exoskeleton and 6 legs. So they are arthropods that are insects. Yes, you're a fly. You're an arthropod because you've got bent jointy legs. You've got 6 legs. You're an insect as well as a fly. Dust mites. You are a vertebrate because you've got a backbone. You're a mammal because your hair, and also because mammary glands, milk, and all that. Mammals do milk. So you are a human, a animal, a mammal. Yes. Dust mites, cheese mites, and head lice have an exoskeleton and 8 legs. So they are arthropods. Arthropods that are arachnids. Cool! Press my picture down here, press like, press subscribe. Bye!